This was the payment I received for using Google Tools for 30 minutes. It's a pile of cash. Well, if you want results like these and lots of cash, all you have to do is check this out. As you can see, this payment was sent by using the tool I'm about to introduce for 30 minutes. Well, the results are not typical. You may earn more, the same, or a little less, but I can tell you one thing. If you don't follow the exact steps in this video, these results will be impossible. Now let's move on to the 3 steps. Now the 3 steps to earn $255 an hour with Google Translate are: number 1, I will show you how to use Google Tools to make money. Second, I would like to introduce you to the top 3 sites that make a lot of money. And third, we'll show you $1,000 a day in the pilot system, which serves as a bonus to our ending. Therefore, be sure to watch the end of this video. But be sure to subscribe to this channel. If you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. This is a Google Translate tool. This tool will not pay you. This tool is used on 3 websites. I will show you. And these 3 sites are ranked from minimum to maximum payments, so please do your best. But the great thing about this tool is that you can press here and everything that this tool outputs can be pressed here. And it is called transcription. They are needed from English to Spanish and may be transcribed. As you can see, you can use this tool to transcribe hundreds of other languages from Spanish to English and many other languages. As you can see here, this tool works well. That is, there is a company that just transcribes everything I said and pays you to transcribe everything you do here. Okay, now you don't have to do anymore. You have Google Translate tools do the work for you, and it's completely free. So the money you make doesn't require your efforts, just let Google translate it and do all the work. The first website you visit. Well, the highest paying website is not the lowest paying website, but it's the website you get started with. Just go to transcript.com. They pay you 60 cents per minute for audio or video. The average monthly income for this site is $150. However, because you are using the tool, your top monthly revenue is $1,215, which is more than you can achieve. You can achieve maximum performance and complete these transcription jobs as many times as possible. Therefore, using this tool will give you the highest monthly revenue. Again, there are some expensive sites to introduce soon, especially those that cost an extra $1,000 a month. This is a great place to start, either as a side hustle or as something that can actually be incorporated into a slightly larger income. All you have to do is sign up for this job now. That's all you have to do, and you are ready to go at gotranscript.com. I have an order for transcription from home. Get paid weekly to work from home and ensure you get paid. It's really great because typical 9 to 5 jobs are paid every other week. They get paid every 2 weeks, but pay directly to their PayPal account every week, so you don't have to worry that your money wasn't sent to you. So if you have more time during the day, you can do it. Or if you have a day when you just want to make money all day long, you can. Choose a project, get great support, develop your skills, be busy, and enjoy these transcription jobs with the tools I have introduced. So this is a great site from the beginning. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. The next page is even better. This is called gmrtranscription.com. Now this site is paying higher. As you can see here, this is the founder. You can see his LinkedIn profile. And as he said, our primary goal is to provide the highest level of customer satisfaction by providing accurate transcription and translation services. Large companies come here to get posted orders. So to translate things or just to get the word from the video. As you can see here, thousands of companies like McDonald's, Levi's, Dell, and Amazon are working with the company. As soon as you click on the carrier, you'll see this page called Transcribe Better, Earn Better. This page states that our transcriptions are typically between $1,000 and $3,000 per month. Okay, now you're making $3,000 on this side and probably thousands more on the other side. And that's $4,000. The last page I'm trying to show you pays even more, so it really sums up. That is wonderful. Click here to request a general transcription or a Spanish transcription. And I know they are paying more for Spanish transcription, but you don't have to speak Spanish. You can also translate in Spanish just by accessing Google Translate here. It's very cool. Now, this woman who knows she's earned hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month by scrolling down or witnessing the continued growth needed to learn flexibility from home. And this is recommended by many different websites. And you can see that there are many people who earn a salary and enjoy the job posting. So you can apply here. And that's a great way to get started. Well, the last site is the best site out there and the most reputable transcription site out there. It's Rev.com. This is where I personally went and spent thousands of dollars on typists. That means you could have been on the other side of what I would have been. To create transcripts of videos to run for YouTube videos, promotional videos, and ads. And they have a really fast turnaround time, so they charge the most. And you know that a bigger company will come to them. CBS, Viacom, PBS, really big companies that come here and use transcription services. All you can do is apply to become a transcriber on this page. The amount they now charge is $1.25 per minute. And they charge $3 to $7 per minute, even higher for foreign subtitles. Therefore, you can see how it is added exponentially. So what you're trying to do is scroll to the bottom and go to a career which will open up a freelance job. This means you can see how freelance work works fast at home and make money at home with transcription and subtitles. Therefore, this can be done from home anywhere in the world. All you need is Google Translate, maybe a computer or your phone. Therefore, create a flexible work schedule. You can choose from hundreds of jobs every day. Work as much as you want. Get paid weekly. And get paid weekly from PayPal for every job done at Rev.com. And it's very cool. As shown below, typists earn from 30 cents to $1 and dimes per minute. And CapER earns 54 cents to 1 cent and 10 cents per minute. If you scroll down and don't see the foreign language, the subtitles will be $1 per minute and $50 to $3. That's what you want to do because you don't need to know another language, as long as Google Translate does the job for you. They are well paid and featured in Penny Hoard, Forbes, and Business Insider. As you can see, this is a very legitimate website for making some extra cash for the first time. That's all. Before you go, be sure to subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, press the like button, and see you in the next video.